Hi, I'm Greg Arnone from McMinnville Hearing Center, and I thought I'd spend a little time with sharing some information about my past and my work history and how I got to do what I do today, and that's helping people hear better. I've been a dispenser of hearing aids since 1994. I'm board certified as a hearing instrument specialist. My expertise is in the evaluation of hearing loss and helping people with amplification. I started back in the 1970s when I was in the military. I was a hospital corpsman, and I would do some screenings on Marines for hearing loss. So that's where I got my first taste of hearing and the importance of that. I also have a brother who is completely deaf in one ear. So in an early age, I was able to really realize the social and emotional aspects of a hearing loss. I have a passion for helping people. Hearing is such an important part of quality of life, and when you don't hear well, your life suffers, not only for you, but for the people around you. One of my greatest joys in life is seeing the eyes of a new patient who's starting to hear and understand better, to hear the birds, to hear their grandchildren speak to them. These are things that we take for granted, but for a person with hearing loss, it really does detract from quality of life. So again, one of the most wonderful things we can do is to try to reconnect people with all of the important sounds of life around them. Now, I've been dispensing hearing aids for 20 years now, and when I first started in this practice, I would adjust a hearing aid with a screwdriver. There'd be little levers on there, and we would adjust it up and down based on the patient's needs. Wasn't very exact, but it's the best we had. Today, all of our hearing aids are computers. There is a computer chip inside each instrument, and with that computer chip, we're able to go in and set a hearing aid very precisely for every individual's hearing loss. Then we're able to go back into that hearing aid on follow-up visits to adjust it, to increase sounds, decrease sounds, work with whatever concerns the patient may have. So it's very prescriptive and very exact today. And our patients are much more satisfied as compared to anything we were able to do even 4 or 5 years ago. So the technologies have changed dramatically. Hearing loss shouldn't be taken for granted. It's our gateway to communication. If you don't hear well, your quality of life is compromised, not only for you, but for the people around you. So we ask you, don't take it for granted. Get your hearing screened occasionally. If you're over 55, we recommend it annually. Everybody should have a baseline test on file so you can follow and monitor that. Your hearing is a priceless gift. Don't take it for granted. If you have any concerns about your hearing or that of a loved one or a friend, visit us at MacHearing.com or give us a call, set up an appointment for your consultation and free hearing screening. There's no obligation, just quality care and service. McMinnville Hearing Center. We're here to provide you better hearing with a caring touch. Thank you.